a foot or two below the top of the fence when Reyes leaped. I thought it was going to be a great running catch. He almost did it.
Because he's tall.
And then the next thing you knew, the fans behind the fence were scrambling for the ball.
That's right.
When he was pounding his glove in frustration.
Nice try, though.
So again, these are the things you have to kind of put through the filter as you look at a pitcher's performance. I mean, yes, it's a hard hit ball that he gave up, but it's not a home run in any other ballpark.
No, that's right.
Because if it's anywhere else, he's racing back to make that play, and it hits his glove and goes to the base of the wall.
That's right.
Not over the wall.
No, and we think at Comerica Park 365 is a short porch. You know, and
I mean, it's very reachable in right field. Not necessarily short, but no, I agree. It's very reachable. Swing and a miss. That's a late swing from Sanchez on a 95-mile-an-hour fastball. So it's a mid-90s fastball, Jim, with some life to it. A slider. Again, we haven't seen him a ton, but a very good slider at times. And a curveball and change combination. The 1-1.
If you own a business and you want your money to stay local, call the Pledge Radio.